I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card to TaskRabbit is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the steps. Step 1. Open the TaskRabbit app. Launch the TaskRabbit app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to Payment Methods. Tap on the profile icon at the top left corner, then select Payment Methods from the menu. This is where you can manage your payment options. Step 3. Add a new credit card. In the Payment Methods section, look for an option that says Add Credit Card. Tap on it to start entering your card details. Step 4. Enter your card information. Fill in the required fields, including your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos, as a small mistake can prevent the card from being added. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your card details, tap the Save button to finalize the addition. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your card has been successfully added. If you run into any issues, make sure your card is not expired and that you have a stable internet connection. Happy tasking!